What's up, guys? Welcome back to the Barefoot Garage. Now that we got the boat truck moved, it's time to see what is hiding in there. We're going out for a cruise today. So let's go to the time lapse and open it up and see what we got. Alright guys, that did not go according to plan. Hope you enjoyed the little time lapse. We got out to meet our friends for the drive, get to the Publix, and the car wouldn't start. So the ignition switch went bad. I knew it had been going bad, so we were taking a chance there, and now we've got to replace it. So we're going to replace the ignition switch, hopefully go out for a spin later tonight. So we're going to take you guys along when we do this. It was a little embarrassing, rolled into the parking lot, Ferraris, Lamborghinis, Vipers, me, and then everybody goes to pull out and I don't. So I spent about 30 minutes in the parking lot having a hot wire the starter to get it started again. So we're going to jump into fixing that and then we'll go for a spin. Making sure that this new switch works. Promising. Good to go.